So for this one, you had to decide what number line was Noah. So Noah walks 2/10 kilometer, stops for a drink of water, and walks 5/100 of a kilometer and stops for another sip. So if we're talking about 2/10 and 5/100, I can compare them by making my tenths to hundredths. So 2/10 is a lot bigger than 5/100. So this one is Noah's number line because he went for 2/10, 1/10, 2/10. And then here is his 5/100 that he went. So I'm going to jump down to B. So the total distance Noah walked. So we changed them up there. So we have 20/100 for 2/10 plus our 5/100, which would equal 25/100. Now this one would be Jada's. So you had to make an addition sentence for Jada. So she went 1/10, 2/10. So I have 2/10 plus, then she went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/10. Two plus 5 is 7/10.